Good morning, students. Welcome back. And I hope you all are completing your notebooks and listening to your parents and also listening to your teachers. Today, in this class of reading, rapid reading, we are going to read EVS 2, lesson number 8, Defeat of Internal Enemies. This is the page of your textbook that you have to read. Students, you have to pay attention, keep quiet when you are reading, and understand and make the proper pronunciation for each and every word. Now, these are the importance point that you have to read. By use of force, Chandra Rao Maurya of Javali, repel and you will die, Fort Raigad. These are the important points that you are going to read in this lesson. Kindly read the following. Read after me, students. By use of force, the marvels of the 12 marvels gathered around Shivaji, ready to do his binding. They lived for Swaraj and were willing to die for it. They were simple Maratha folk. They loved Shivaji more than their lives, but some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. He had to bring such people to book. Kandoji and Baji Ghorpade were two sardars in the service of Adil Shah. The Shah incited them against Shivaji. They created a lot of trouble in the Kondana district, but Shivaji was more than a match for them. He defeated and drove them out. Baji Nayak Nimbalkar of Paltan was Shivaji's own brother-in-law, but Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. However, later on, members of his family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, a near relatives of Shivaji, also started plotting against Shivaji. Shivaji arrested him at Supe and banished him to Karnataka. With Shivaji, duty came first and relatives afterwards. Students, I hope that you are reading behind me and understanding each word what I am saying. Next important point is Chandrarao Maurya of Javali. The greatness of Shivaji's achievements was recognized and applauded everywhere. He captivated the heart of his people. Some people did not like this. They looked upon Shivaji as a mole in the eye. The More of Javali was one such person. More was the Jagirdar of Javali. This Jagir, which extended from Raigad to Koyna Valley, along with the title Chandra Rao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Javali was covered with such a thick forest that even during broad daylight, the sun's rays hardly penetrate it. It was full of wildlife. Tigers, wolves, and bears roamed freely in the Javali forest. Moorish Javalis was thus like a tiger's hideout. No one, therefore, crossed More's path. Only Shivaji had the courage to do so. Daulat Rao Maurya died in 1645. There was fight for the succession among his descendants. Shivaji backed Yashwant Rao More who with Shivaji's help ascended the Gaddi as Chandra Rao. In the return for Shivaji's help, Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay him an annual tribute. But he forgot all this once he succeeded to the Gaddi. He became impertinent and troublesome. He started attacking Shivaji's territory and harassing the people. Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Shivaji. Next important point is rebel and you will die. Shivaji first sent a stiff note to Yashwantrao More. You call yourself the Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me. So do not call yourself the Raja. In a very rude reply, Yashwantrao said, you are a Raja of only yesterday. Who gave you this kingdom? If you come to Javali, you will be trapped. By the grace of God, I have received from Adil Shah the title of Raja. He has also, in his graciousness, given me a throne and the panpoli of a Raja. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. Students, I hope that you are reading after me and understanding what you are reading. As we have already completed this lesson, so you have to read this lesson for better understanding. Can we start reading after me? Shivaji replied, give up Javali and your, your pretensions of kingship. Come before your master with folded hands and accept his service. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life. The conquest of Javali was a difficult operation. It was covered with thick forest and protected by the impregnable Raireri fort. More also had numerous followers. Shivaji, after making through preparations, attacked Javali. Yashwantrao held out for about a month but suffered very heavy losses. He then escaped to Raireri along with his family. Shivaji conquered Javali and then marched on Raireri. He laid siege to Fort Raireri. Yashwantrao fought desperately for 3 months, but he had to give up. Fort Raigad. The conquest of Javali was a very important landmark. This doubled the boundaries of Swaraj. Under Shivaji, Yashwantrao's army too joined the force of Shivaji. The strong Raireri fort became a part of Swaraj. Shivaji was highly pleased to have this fort under his control. He changed his names to Raigad. This is the fort of Raigad, students. The Raireri fort was changed to name Fort Raigad. Later on, he built a new fort on the Bhorpe hill nearby. It was named Pratapgarh. Can you see a fort of Pratapgarh in the image? Students, I hope that you have started reading and you have understood what you have read. So, for better understanding, student must always read and ask doubt to your teacher. Students, for further notification, I kindly request you to subscribe the channel. Thank you.